Hello everyone, this is Kirit. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, that is Abhivyakti Training Solutions. In today's video, I am going to give 7 tips to improve your vocabulary. So let's get started. Before we start, let me request, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will get each and every video very quickly. So let's get started. Tip number 1 is reading. No matter whether it is novels, magazine or any book, every exposure that you are getting through reading is very much important for your vocabulary. The more you will get exposed, the more you will get to know new words, and by simply you are adding lot of words, that means a higher vocabulary bank. So reading is very much important. Every day you should read at least 4 to 5 pages every single day. 4-5 pages, that's actually the minimum, right? This is actually minimum that you should be start with. Tip number 2 is write down. In tip number 1, we have learned that we must have read minimum 4 to 5 pages, and in this tip I will request you to write maybe 1 or 2 paragraphs what all you have learned in that reading. You should write those things, and yes, you must have to use the words that actually you have learned for the first time. By doing this, you can simply remember that word for longer time, and that's how you are adding those words for the permanent. So write down. Tip number 3 is vocally. Yes, always you get in time, or always you are getting any opportunity to speak those words, always use that word. So this is also a very much important, that you need to speak out that word. Tip number 4 is visually. You can use some sticky notes in your drawing room or maybe at your office dashboard, where you are simply write down some words, and by slowly and gradually you are improving your day-to-day vocabulary. By doing this, what you are doing is you can visualize those words. At the same time, you are adding that how I am going to use those words. So by and large, you are adding lots of new words by after maybe 1 month down the line. Next tip is play. Friends, in our Google Play Store there are so many applications are available related to vocabulary or related to new words. By playing, what you are doing, one side you are playing and another side you are learning. So playing and learning both are going simultaneously. By doing this will actually great exposure. Your both brains are working together, your subconscious mind and conscious mind, and definitely you are going to learn so many new vocabularies by learning that. So next step is use. Yes friends, you must have to use what all words we have learned in a previous day or today. Until and unless we will not use, this is not going to help, and you will be not able to recall the exact word. But if you use it, definitely you will be able to make it for longer time, or you can make it for permanent. Last tip is corresponding with native English speaker. Yes, you may have so many friends who can speak English regularly, but you will be going to get lots of exposure of new words, because they have very huge vocabulary bank, and with talking to them you will be encounter with so many good words, and and at the end of the day you will simply learn so many new words. Tip number 1 was reading. Tip number 2 was writing. Tip number 3 is vocally. Tip number 4 is visually, and tip number 5 is play. Tip number 6 is use, and tip number 7 is corresponding with the native English speaker. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and share. And yes, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will get each and every video very fast. I will see you in the next video. Till the time, keep learning, keep smiling. Thank you so much for watching.